has stood for performance and commitment since 1892. Even back then, we produced reliable sails and rigs for commercial shipping, which had to withstand any conditions worldwide. Reckmann products stand for quality and a very long service life. When sailing developed into a sport for everyone in the 50s to 60s, it was the elegant Dragon class and sporty dinghy sailors that Reckmann equipped. In the 70s, special orders were added, such as sail masts for the sporty Admiral's Cup winners. Swimming legends like Saudade, who made it to international fame with Reckmann technology. Reckmann was one of the first to produce head sail reefing systems for sheet loads of more than 20 tons. Our customers trust these products because they make the construction of larger yachts possible in the first place. With innovations such as our shading systems made in Germany, Reckmann has always adapted to developments in the market. All over the world, customers appreciate the reliability of the products and the fast service of the Reckmann team. Customers can rely on Reckmann's engineering services and get everything from conception to planning to the finished product from a single source. At Reckmann, we think out of the box. With always new solutions for customers and develop innovative products together with strong partners such as Porsche Design. We are jointly responsible for the magic moments of our customers during regattas or in their relaxed leisure time. Since 1892, Reckmann is your reliable partner for yacht equipment and performance. We will still be there for you in the future. Reckmann, since 1892.